This is the Avantree Soundbyte T, a portable FM radio that can wirelessly transmit audio signal to your Bluetooth headphones. It also works as a Bluetooth speaker and SD card MP3 player. Here's a look at the contents of this video. Product overview. Let's take a look at the radio. On the front, you will find an LCD screen and various function buttons, such as the mode switch, pairing button, and EQ mode switch. On the top of the radio are an extendable antenna and a keypad of buttons for the FM radio. These include the number buttons, save page button, timer off button, channel switching button, settings button, and the confirm button. On the side is the volume dial, which is also used as the power switch. Below that is the Type-C charging port, the wired headphone port, and the 3.5mm aux audio input port. You can charge the radio using any standard USB port with 5V 1A output via the Type-C charging cable included. The battery icon on the LCD screen will flash while charging and stop flashing once charging is complete. Using an FM radio. First, rotate the volume dial clockwise to on. The LCD screen will light up. If this is your first time using the radio, it will begin to auto-scan for channels. Please wait for the auto-scanning to complete. Then press the forward and back buttons to select your desired channel. You can save your favorite channels on the radio for quick access. There are 4 pages and 5 slots each, so you can save up to 20 channels. First, find the channel you like, then click Page. Next, long press the number slot you want to save to. It will show Saved it P11, and now it is saved. For future use, click Page, then click the corresponding number on the keypad to play the saved channel. Using with Bluetooth headphones. First, press and hold the pair button to enter Bluetooth transmitting mode. Next, go to your headphones and get them into pairing mode. Keep them close together, and they'll connect with each other. Now you can listen with your Bluetooth headphones. Using as a Bluetooth speaker. First, press the mode button once to enter Bluetooth speaker mode. Next, go to your device's Bluetooth settings. Search for and select Avantree Soundbyte T to connect. Now you can listen to your music on your phone using the Soundbyte T speaker. Using as a micro SD card player. First, insert the SD card into the SD card slot. The radio will automatically switch to SD card mode and begin to play music. If you insert the card before turning on the radio, you may need to press the mode button to manually switch to micro SD mode. Using as a wired speaker. You can also use a 3.5mm aux cable to connect the Soundbyte T to your laptop as a speaker. If you insert the aux cable before turning on the speaker, you may need to press the mode button to switch to aux mode. Accessories and warranty. You can buy any accessories that you need on the Avantree website, including replacement batteries, charging cables, audio cables, and more. All Avantree products have a 24-month warranty when purchased directly from Avantree.com. If you have purchased through other channels such as Amazon, you can extend the warranty to 24 months by registering on our official website. If you think this video is helpful, please give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell to stay notified on our new product launches. Thanks for watching.